frame that feels significantly more motorcycle than moped when you lean it over. BMW has opted for a single-sided swing arm at the rear, which looks stunning and makes the machine feel premium despite its diminutive size. The weight distribution is the secret sauce here. Most of the 291 pounds is carried extremely low because the two 1.96 kilowatt-hour batteries sit deep in the belly with the air-cooled Synchronous motor tucked just behind them. Because the center of gravity is so low, the bike feels 40 pounds lighter than the spec sheet suggests. The build quality is typical BMW. The switchgear feels tactile, the 3.5-inch microdisplay is crisp even in direct sunlight, and the paint finish on the Highline package is deep and resilient. It feels like a high-end tool rather than a plastic toy.